Hey, this is Emily, and I'd like to tell you about a couple things that I learned this semester. One of them is that I need to read directions more carefully, and that's because about the same time as the CANS project was due, there was also a discussion board post due, and there was a specific list about what you could talk about on the discussion board, and a specific list about what you could talk about on the project. And so I didn't realize that those lists were different. So I did both the project and the discussion board about the tympanic membrane when that wasn't actually on the list for the discussion board. So if I had read the directions more carefully, then I would have realized that the lists weren't the same and hopefully gotten full points on that discussion board by talking about a correct structure. Another thing that I learned about was all the different symbols to help read an audiogram. And I didn't previously know just how intricate an audiogram could be just with all the different symbols you can use. And it was really interesting for me just trying to figure out what pathology someone had based on what their audiogram looked like. Another thing that I learned about is all the different structures that make up the ear. And it's important just to know how many parts there are and what their major functions are, just to know if they're functioning properly or not. And I always knew the ear was a small body part, but I never realized before this class just how intricate the ear is, all the way from the outer ear to the brain. So I like to say I really enjoyed this class, and I can't wait to see what comes from it.